All very okay. The one question is which valve? Which valve is replaced when? Okay. See here carefully. This is called the valve belt. This area is called. Okay. When you are auscultating, the click is getting loud when you are going here, and the click is getting less loud as you go here. Then you are dealing with a mitral valve. When you are auscultating, the click is getting loud when you are going here. Okay, and the click is getting less loud when you are going here. It's an aortic valve. When you are auscultating, the click is equally heard on this side and this side. It's a double valve. Clear? When you are auscultating, the sound is more loud here. It's a mitral valve. The sound is more loud here. It's an aortic valve. The sound is equally heard on both sides. It's an double valve. All right. Now I'll just auscultate and show you. I'm just auscultating this gentleman. Consent has been taken. Okay, can start. Who asked the doubt?